Yo, what up, what up? Every penny counts. I'm on this site, Instagc. Link to it will be in the description. You can sign up and you get a bonus as you sign up. Real quick, I'm gonna do a cash out in this video and show you my routine. You see here, I have $5.79 and I'm going to cash out. Lots of different things I do on this site, and there's a lot of opportunities, so you can really go crazy with this site. Once you sign up, you can, this is basically your homepage, what you're going to see. The things that I like to do on here that are quick, that are easy. On this homepage, channel watcher, you can get paid to watch videos. You get paid 2 cents for every, I think it's 10 or 15 videos. Let me see, because I forget. I do it sometimes. I do it all the time, but just a quick way to make money. Sometimes if I'm like doing something like multitasking, I'll have this running. But you'll see here, yeah, get rewarded 2 points for every 15 pages of content you review. So basically, you just get started like this. You just click on get started, and another window will pop up, and at the top it'll have like a counter, like a counter going down, timer, things like that, like this. When the counter goes down, you can vote if it was a bad video, okay video, good video. Doesn't matter what you voted, as long as you voted something, because you have to vote something before you move to the next one. So you see I've already reviewed 6, and this is another one. Like I said, the timer will go down once the page fully loads, and you can make money like that. I don't do it all the time, but it's just another way you can make money with, because I'm more interested in the big ways of making money. That's not a lot of money involved in that, but if you want to get involved with it, you're more than welcome to. I'm just showing you the different opportunities on here. They also have Peanut Labs. You can get paid to do surveys. Peanut Labs has disqualification points. Hideout TV, you can get paid to watch videos on that as well. They also have their own video section. If you go here to watch videos, you can watch 100 videos. So you see here, I watch videos pretty much every day on this site. I basically let this run when I'm asleep, and you'll see here you get bonuses for letting the videos actually play, like basically all day or whatever. You can, like I said, the maximum videos you can watch is 100, and you get 5 points for every 100 points. It's basically 1 point for every 20 videos, but it's a maximum of 5 points for that. Like I said, I just literally just let it run at night, and I just wake up and the count is done. Obviously, it doesn't take, probably takes about an hour and a half for all the videos to actually play, but it'll play by itself. You don't have to do anything with it. And then the big money that I do, I go over here to earn. I go to surveys. And I love to do tap research on this site. Tap research and Samplicious. You know what I'm saying? They have, those are the big ones on this site. This page is different, but Samplicious, they're very easy surveys. And tap research, there's so many of those. That's basically what I do when I'm on this site. Just, go crazy with those. So, I mean, it's really just up to you what you want to get involved with. You have to complete your profile every now and then. I need to update mine. You see here, you earn 5 points by completing your standard profile. You have to update it every once in a while. So just make sure that's kind of updated. Like I said, I need to. But when it's updated, they can kind of throw you surveys that are geared more towards you, so you don't disqualify all the time. You see here on the side, they have this chat box. You can see what everybody's getting paid. You can also ask questions in there. Just kind of scroll up and see, other things that people are doing. Like I said, you can ask questions. It'll show you what. A lot of times the trader, he'll put codes in there, like the first users to click here and enter this code, they get points. And you see here, people are on top of it. They all got 8 points for doing that. So, I mean, just kind of pay attention to that. That's basically the only place he puts it at. So you just kind of have to, catch it at the right time. There's a lot of opportunity on this site, with these different survey providers that you can choose from. As far as cashing out, you can go over to a gift card store, and they have lots of different gift cards that you can choose from. And they're all in alphabetical order. So you can basically just find so many different pages of things you can choose. They do have Amazon, they do have PayPal, all that good stuff, but I'm just showing you other restaurants and stores that you can choose from. Going back up to redeem other rewards that you can get, it will show you Bitcoin, direct deposit, PayPal. You can get a Visa gift card, things like that. I have not cashed out on this site in a while. I actually kind of just stopped using it, only because I just really forgot about it. I've been so busy lately. It's been a few months since I've actually cashed out, but I just got back onto it. So I'm encouraging everybody else to get back onto it. That's why it's been like 2019. I cashed out a few times, but that's not nearly enough. I really should did more. Like I said, I just have so many sites, and I'm busy. I'm working on a lot of different things now, so I don't have as much time as I used to because these past, few months, really the past couple years, I've been working on a lot of stuff behind the scenes that I'm going to bring to you guys eventually. I'm working on a lot of different things, so just stay tuned with that. But I'm getting back to what I really been doing because I'm having more time, and that's making money every day with this site. There's some sites I cash out on literally every day, and some I just take a while to cash out on just because I don't have the time to do as much as I want to. But nonetheless, there's still money involved with it. So Bitcoin, direct deposit, PayPal, you can do all of those. I like to do direct deposit because I want it right on my bank account. Because if I send it to PayPal, I'm gonna have to just send it to my bank account anyway. So just might as well cut out the middleman when doing that. So I'm gonna go here to redeem $5. I think I can do more than $5, but I'll at least something in my account anyway. So I don't redeem 5. Are you sure you want to make this redemption? Okay. And just like that, your reward has been submitted. So it'll be in my bank account within the next couple of days. And that's my cash out with this one. Like I said, I need to be more active on this site, but I just showed you many things you can do on here, many things I need to do as well. The offer walls, they have a good amount of those. Like I said, the videos, the surveys, there's a lot of opportunity on here. People are cashing out all the time. You see here in the chat box. So like I said, we all can just, use this site more. If you're not a member of it, like I said, the link to it will be in the description. You can sign up. It's completely free, and you will get a bonus on top of that. So you can really get started with it today. All right. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe if you're interested in making money completely free. That's what I'm all about, showing you guys different websites, different apps that you can make money on in your spare time. All right. So this is one you need to get started with. Link is in the description. Click on it, sign up, create an account, and always remember, every penny counts.